So time is biggest asset of what you have, not money. Not money. Money you can earn anytime. Anytime you can earn. But the time once gone, we can't get back. That's why time, utilizing time. So protecting your time is the most important. So the people who are always using the word, busy people are always successful. No way. No way. No way. Busy people are always successful. No way. Focused people are successful. Remember this. Morning to evening full busy on low value tasks. What is the use? In Telugu, we have wonderful sayings are there. Kondana tavi elikan pattedant. Kondana tavi elikan pattadam. What it means is, there is a person is there, okay, who dig a big hill. He spend his time almost 2 years, 3 years time just for digging the hill. At last, what he achieved is, he identified one small mouse, one small rat, he identified. So, how much effort he kept, how much result he got, can you please imagine? There are several people. In Telugu, another saying is there. నిమిషం తీరిక లేదు, నిమిషం తీరిక లేదు, దమ్మిడి ఆదాయం లేదు, దమ్మిడి ఆదాయం లేదు. He's full busy. He's full busy morning to evening. Hare, if we open his pocket, how much money is there? Nothing. What is the use of that? Because this person always spending his time on low value tasks, but not high value tasks. High value tasks are most important, friends. I told if you want to get the benefit from these things, from Kunatau or otherwise from, okay, this might be your time. Only thing you require to do, stop doing at least one waste activity. Sir, there is no use of this activity. Today onwards, I don't want to do this activity anymore. At least one activity, can you please stop? Next, at least one low-level activity, can you please delegate? So that you will get more free time. Use that free time on your high-value activity. If you can do this activity, that thing is enough from this total Simma dosto. Okay?